गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ के मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट में। इंडियन मार्केट्स की बात करें तो इंडिया के बेंचमार्क एक्विटी इंडाइसेस रेड में क्लोज हुए ऑन वेडनेसडे, मार्किंग अ फोर्थ स्ट्रेट सेशन ऑफ डिक्लाइन। फंड फ्लोज की बात करें तो एफआईआईज ने सेल किए स्टॉक्स वर्थ ₹2426 करोड़, वेरेस डीआईआईज व नेट बायर्स ऑफ स्टॉक वर्थ ₹1212 करोड़। Moving on to the US markets, the US equities declined for a second straight session on Wednesday as early gains driven by the renewed pledges of spending in AI quickly faded. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 each dropped 0.3%. Dollar index is at 97.81, USD INR at 88.69, Brent is at 69.09. Looking at the Asian markets, the Asian stocks traded in a tight range at the open after losses on Wall Street showed signs of fatigue creeping into the AI-fueled equity rally. Talking about the key stocks in focus today, Quality Power will be in focus as the company's arm has entered into a pact with Hyosung T&D India for gas-insulated switchgear instrument transformers. Similarly, Panacea Biotec will be in focus as the company has launched 2 new product lines in the domestic market. And TBO will also be in focus as the company has entered into a pact with Amadeus South Asia for an AI-driven travel platform. Gujarat Pipavav port will also be in focus as the company has received an order from ONGC for hiring port and storage facilities at Pipavav port for 5 years effective from October 1st. Newgen Software Technologies will also be in focus as the company's arm has signed a 5-year master service agreement with Tata Consultancy Services NV valued at approximately ₹44 crore. कल देखी गई की बल्क एंड ब्लॉक डील्स की बात करें तो एक्सो नोबेल इंडिया में इंपेरियल केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज ने सेल किया 5% स्टेक, जहाँ पे बायर्स इंक्लूडेड गोल्डमैन सैक्स फंड्स, निपॉन इंडिया म्यूचुअल फंड अमॉन्ग अदर्स। सिमिलरली पैरादीप फॉस्फेट्स में एक डील हुई जहाँ पे जुआरी मैरक फॉस्फेट्स ने बाय किया 97.5 लाख शेयर्स एट ₹182.06 अ पीस। टॉकिंग अबाउट द IPO ऑफरिंग्स, True World Bioenergy will offer its shares for bidding starting today. For a detailed IPO note on the same, investors can refer to our website. Moving on to the IPO listing today, iValue Info Solutions will debut on the exchanges starting today. So that was all for today. Thank you for tuning in.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.